Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Guru. In this one I'm going to do the Realme GT Master Edition versus Realme X1 Max device regarding the KineMaster video rendering speed test comparison. And this is a question which has been requested by few of my subscribers asking me to compare both phones regarding the video rendering speeds, how much difference it can be there from the Snapdragon 778G versus the Dimensity 1200. So which can actually export faster and which can render faster. That's what I'm going to exactly demonstrate in this video. So in case if you want me to do any other different comparison with other phones, let me know in the comment section below. Definitely I'll try to do that kind of comparison as soon as possible. So right now I'm trying to use the same 1080 file in both phones exactly right now. Same 1080 file only, you can clearly see here. And let's go to the exporting option. So you can see here clearly the resolution. I select to the 1080 resolution and frame rates and bit rate, everything is perfectly same between both phones. So nothing much different between these devices at this moment. You can clearly see here. Let me delete from previous data. Yes, I don't want them. Yep. So now let's see which phone can actually render this video faster. So from 1080 to 1080 I'm trying to convert, and second step will be from 1080 to the 4K. So in this way we'll be able to understand what is happening with the individual speeds. So let's start the test 1, 2 and 3. So I did click at same time all the phones, and here we go. You can see the Dimensity 1200 and the Snapdragon 778G processor. So it's kind of very close to each other. They're kind of moving, as you can see, exactly very close. I think the Dimensity 1200 can finish slightly faster. I think so, maybe. If you take a look, yes. So Dimensity 1200 a little bit faster. So I'm not using any kind of GT mode or any kind of high performance mode at this moment. So without using any kind of high performance mode, these are the results which we got. You can see that Realme GT will finish definitely the exporting faster. So in terms of the video exporting and rendering, maybe the Realme X1 Max may be faster, X1 Max. So this is a GT model which I did keep the case. So you can actually differentiate between both phones because it's kind of confusing between these devices. That's the reason. So right now you can see the Realme X1 Max, not bad. So Realme X1 Max was able to finish very faster than the Realme GT Master Edition. So in case if you want me to do this kind of comparison with other phones, let me know in the comment section below with what phones you want me to compare. So definitely I'll try to do this kind of comparison with those phones as well. Right now the Realme X1 Max was able to finish very much faster. It's kind of close to 1 minute and 30 seconds of time. I think so. 28 seconds, 29. So 1 minute 28 seconds. And the Realme GT Master Edition taking a little bit more time. Maybe 10 to 15 seconds more time the Realme GT Master Edition is taking. As you can see, finished 1 minute and 40 seconds, 1 minute and 28 kind of seconds. This is the difference between both phones. So now we got to know what is happening. Let's do the final test, which is a 4K rendering test. So this is going to be really interesting, 4K. And throughout this test I'm not using any kind of high performance mode, nothing. Same values selected in both devices. Slightly kind of same, just a little bit, only 1 MB is more, that's it, not a huge difference. But let's see how much difference can it be there. 1, 2 and 3. So from 1080 to the 4K clip. So this is going to take a lot of time in terms of converting the 1080 to 4K, and this is where the lot of intense CPU and the GPU will be utilized during this conversion from 1080 to 4K. So this time, shockingly, I think the surprise was Realme GT Master Edition. It was able to pick up exactly the same speed as the Realme X1 Max. Not bad. You can see clearly same kind of speed in terms of the 1080 to 4K rendering speed. So next video I'll definitely do using the high performance mode and GT mode. So right now I did not include any kind of GT mode at this moment. So right now, as you can see, friends, we're getting very close to the end of the results. So it took definitely a lot of time converting from the 1080 to 4K resolution, 4K rendering. You can see and the Realme GT was able to finish slightly kind of faster in this kind of intense task than the Realme X1 Max. You can clearly see here from 1080 to 4K. And the Realme X1 Max still taking some time. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video, and this is a quick comparison between both phones. And in case if you have any other queries regarding these devices, let me know in the comment section below. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.